Hey my friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Craig Lash. I'm here to teach you about sports photography and help you make better sports images. Today I'm diving into the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens, but I've hit a bit of a snag. After I shot a game with this lens, I dove deep into the roughly 700 images that I had just to find a few examples that I could share with you guys, and I found a problem. Some of the images were blurry, some were sharp, which that happens, but in a series of say 3 to 6 images, a couple of them would be tack sharp, the rest would be slightly off and not looking as good as they should. Now, I've edited tons of photos in my career and I have a pretty keen eye, so even at a glance, I can usually tell when an image has something wrong with it. So these images, I pulled them into Lightroom. Normal viewing, 25-50%, they looked pretty good, but when I zoomed into 100%, yeah, I know that's pixel peeping, I'll talk about that in a second, things got a little bit dicey. Now, I know most normal people won't be diving deep to 100% magnification. When it comes to reviewing equipment, I need to do that and go beyond what the normal person would do. And here's the kicker. I can't, on principle, give a review of this lens with those inconsistencies. So what's the deal? Is it the lens? Is it the camera? Is it the settings? Before I start pointing fingers at the lens though, I have to point fingers at myself first, because maybe I didn't hold the camera steady enough, or maybe I hit a knob or button or something and messed up the settings. Maybe it was the camera gear, the camera body possibly, I was using with this lens that caused some of the issues. This is a rental lens. Maybe it was a bad rental lens that I got. So until I get to the bottom of this and figure out the problem, the review of this lens is going to be put on hold. But hey, every problem is just a chance to learn and grow, correct? Maybe I am the problem. Maybe I didn't hold the camera steady enough. If that's the case, I probably should watch this video right here, which teaches me how to hold the camera for sports photography.